Hello all, welcome back. Let's explore further. The next one is human in the loop. This is very important. We want to automate certain things so that it would help us, but there is always certain danger if we allow the automation to execute without any control. So this human in the loop is something that will automate certain things, but it will always wait for humans to give an approval. So I am having certain action to take, and automation will not be given an option to take a decision on its own in certain cases, and it would allow humans to intervene and then press a proceed or do not proceed kind of an action, and accordingly the automation would continue. So the automation does certain work and then comes and pauses human in the loop. So human in the loop, how it happens is that when certain action is happening and now it wants to take a decision, then we could do that using Gmail. It could come as an email to us, and then based on the action, proceed or do not proceed, yes or no, the further action is linked in the automation. We could have it as a Google chat, could have it on an Outlook uh, email, you could have it on Teams, you could be responding to a chat, sending an email on or Slack or Telegram or WhatsApp. So these are the different notes that we could use to send our consent, yes or no, and then further of the automation could trigger or stop to trigger. So this is very useful in certain cases, and sometimes it could be very annoying if we use this in the wrong place. Use it wisely. Thank you. More in the next. Subscribe.